Hi, I'm Bob Stimson with the Oak Cliff Chamber of Commerce. Welcome to Discovering Oak Cliff, and today we are going to be talking with Morgan Lyons with DART to find out the latest in DART's plans for not only Oak Cliff but the entire region. So, Morgan, thank you for being with us today.
You bet. Thanks for the opportunity.
Let's just start off with a simple question. Tell us, in general, how is DART doing? Are more people coming?
Yeah, we've been very busy. You know, we've just gone through what we call our Super Bowl, which is the State Fair of Texas.
Yeah.
During the State Fair, we'll move anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of a million people over a 3-week period. So we've got 2 stations there. It's really busy. At the same time, we've been opening new rail lines. The next rail lines open in Irving and in Rowlett. That'll be in December. And we're bringing new buses on board. That'll start over a 3-year period. That's already underway. And you'll start seeing through Oak Cliff some 30 and 40-foot buses before too much longer.
Really? I've got to ask the question. The streetcar to Oak Cliff. You guys, DART has played an integral role in making that a reality. And I understand the contract has been let or is about to be let. Can you give me an update on where we stand on the streetcar?
Yeah, the construction contract has been let. We're looking at 2014. That's a City of Dallas project, and they basically have us as their consultant contractor to get that done. We've got a few things to do to get the rail car in order, but everything is in good shape to have that service going in 2014, which is what the city expects, and that's part of the city's long-term vision for streetcar services throughout downtown and on into Oak Cliff. One of the things we think is really going to be exciting to all of our residents, particularly in the Oak Cliff area, is we are totally transforming our bus fleet. So over the next 3 years, all of our buses will be swapped out. They are low floor. They are basically mobile technology units when you think about all the things we've added. They have a smoother ride, a better ride, a more comfortable ride. We have onboard security cameras. We're also adding what we call an infotainment system. There is a screen that you'll find in there that we're designing to provide real-time customer information. Because one of the things people tell us is, well, I like the train because I get it at the station, I get off at this station, I don't have to think about it. Buses go around, buses make detours, I don't know where I'm going. You'll have that information delivered to you on these screens that are inside the buses, and we'll be one of the first American transit agencies to have that.
Outstanding. Well, thank you for talking with me today about all the exciting things going on at DART. DART is obviously playing a pivotal role in the development of Oak Cliff, whether you want to get to UNT Dallas, whether you want to go to Bishop Arts. DART is the way to do it. Thank you so much for being a part of our community.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching Discovering Oak Cliff.